aka Asha, aka Kosh, aka Asha, Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you're notified every time your girl makes a post. So today's video is sponsored, girl. We got a sponsored video, and this hair is sponsored by Yolissa Hair. The hair is 24 inches, and I am 5'7", and for it to be 24 inches, it's touching my butt, so it's extra long for all my tall girls. This is definitely the hair company you want to go with. The quality is super nice. Super duper nice. I have the details of this hair right here for you guys to just, see the details. There will be also a link in my description for this hair, also with a discount code for my girls that like to save some money. So if you guys are ready for me to transform this wig, let's get into the video.
Yes, now you see I'm doing this for all my baddies. As you can see off rip, we gotta have the wave cap on. You see I got the gold bottle. This is tinted even, and it's it's like some glue to glue down your wig to make sure it stays. This look like some spray paint, and it stink real bad too, so I had to make sure I covered up my nose. Whew, man, that shit stink. Let me go ahead and open up my cabinet right quick. You know what's going on. You gotta spray the hair down. That's how it's gonna get the stick on the wig cap. See, I had to flip that thing inside out. And I got something similar that I'm just gonna spray on the wig. So when I place the wig on my cap, it'll go just fine. You see, it's a little wet. You gotta dry that bit down just a little bit. You gotta dry that bit down. So after it's nice and dry, as you can see, I already started applying some of the wig on the back of my head and using some of that glue to lay down the front where my edges are. So I am laying that down right now to make sure the wig does not go up. You see it, nice and simple, nice and smooth. I've really been doing my wigs and stuff like that for a long time, so I got a lot of experience. Time to dry it down a little bit. This just helps speeds up the process, to be honest. And make sure you guys have a good blow dryer, because a good blow dryer will save your life. Now we applying the wig to the forehead, and that glue that we sprayed earlier, that's when that come in handy. Now you see, we gotta pull the hair back to get some of the stuff going on. You see, there you go. Yeah, that was a little hard. This hair was not tangled at all. It was really nice and easy to just comb through. Yeah, this is perfect. You see, and it looks good. Now it's time for us to. Right now, I'm just going through my volume. I'm sorry, I'm going everywhere, guys. I still have to comb through this hair. Now it's time to do some removal of the wig. What I'm removing right now, guys, is some of the excess stuff for the wig that it helped with the lace. So you cut all of that down. You don't want to have the whole wig with that sitting on top of your head. So obviously that's going to all get cut. I'm putting my hair in a ponytail right now, just so it won't be everywhere while I remove the wig cap. I mean, not the wig cap, but the whatever this is called. But the lace. This is one of the most important parts of the wig, because you know how girls say, lace wear. So this is where that comes in handy. So she literally just cut the lace off. That's where the lace is. It's gone. Right now, you have to always lay the lace down right quick, so just give me a second while I do that. As you can see, I did that. I have my lace tied up. The hair is really long. It's down to my butt, you see. Yeah, I just farted. You see, yeah, the hair is down to my butt. Not to my butt, but like really lower back. Let me get that angle for you guys. You see how long and nice and volume my hair has to it. It's almost time for the reveal of the lace, so I'm going to go ahead and take that off right quick. It's only going to take a second, and there we go. What we still need to do is go fix some minor touches to the lace. You see it as I'm cutting the lace down a little bit. We were almost done, guys. You see, all I gotta do is just wet my hair a little bit. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, You see the face? Yeah. Almost done. Now I'm just going through it. You can just see the lace just a little bit. I'm gonna grab some edge booster to really just amplify the edges. That's why it's called edge booster. I don't know the reason why you put it on your hair right there, but I don't know. I've never seen that product, but this is a really popular product that is used all across the world. I got a hot iron right now, a hot flat iron, to straighten out my hair. This right here is really gonna make things look 10 times better and make it pop a lot more. This hair quality is really good. I really love it. Oh yeah, that right there, that was a little tough one right there, but we got right through it. Yeah, you see, I'm so ready to show you guys the finished product. It is so it is so fire. I still got some combing to do, as you can see. That's what I do when I usually do my edges. I just pull some hair down right quick. And right now I'm just being tedious. I got some tweezers, just doing a little bit of extra plucking that I need to do. So I'm plucking that. As I'm plucking, I'm just thinking, yeah, I got to do the other side. Yeah, nice and simple, nice and smooth. I'm going to have to do some more plucking on this side. That's what we're coming to. We're starting the edges. This is the start of the edges, doing a little extra plucking. Don't mind me, guys. Just doing a little bit of extra plucking. Pluck comb. See, that's a good tactical thing you can use. Pluck comb. Put the bandana back on just to lay the edges down a little bit more and a little bit longer as I get the makeup pencil and make my hairline. I'm making me a part through the wig. So the makeup is making the part look a little bit more natural. Yeah, so as I do that, I'm almost done. I don't know why she has that long piece of hair just sitting in the middle of her head. I don't get that at all, but it must be a method to the madness. Yeah, still flat ironing this hair. So ready for y'all to see the final product. so ready for y'all to see the final product, y'all. We are almost there. I get it. As you can see, we're taking off the edge. Oh yeah, see, that was sticking down. That's how you know you gotta let them edges bake a little bit, man. Yeah. You see that? Yeah. Yeah. I was listening to my jams. I put that Tyler Guy music on that playlist, and that'd be turning me up. You see it? Yeah. Now we're going through. I'm cutting what I just had in the middle of my head. This is gonna be part of the edges. I do have to grab my edge grease to lay it down a little bit. You see, it's really simple. You can use your fingers, or you can use that short brush, or you can even use a toothbrush. A lot of females use toothbrushes to help with their edges so they can stay and get styled, as I'm doing right now. I'm styling. This is a two-sided brush. It's a comb and a toothbrush at the same time. I got this at Sally's Beauty Shop. It was $2.99, guys. If you want to go ahead and grab you one of those, it helps do the edges very, very, very well. As you can see, them edges are getting laid down. After I finish laying down those edges, I need to put back on my do-rag to lay down my edges some more, or the bandana. It doesn't matter. We had to put the hair into sectionals so it's easier to comb through. It's very simple. Look, I got right now we got the curling rod, and we're going to get some nice curls, some nice volume curls. Let that sit there for about 10 seconds. See, had to fast forward a little bit. There we go. Now you see that nice luscious curl with all that volume, and we're going to spray some stuff on there just to make it stay a little bit more. And we're going to do that into different sections of our hair. As you can see, just fast forwarding through a little bit so I can continue to do the same thing. Yeah, guys, you know the hair process is a little long, but guys, we are almost there to show you guys the finished product. We are still working and still getting this hair right for you guys. Y'all know I like to always be a bad bee at all times. So with that being said, that's why I take so long on my hair. Right now I'm just laying it down. This is the strategy I use, just to just lay the hair down a little bit. Now you see we got the hair nice and curled on the left and the right side. Everything is good. 1 second, be right back. Put a little bit of makeup on, and now we are with the finished overall look. Guys, this hair was fire, guys. I would 100% recommend getting this hair. As you can see, the volume on the hair is amazing. The length is fire. You see? Yeah, yeah. Ching, ching, ching goes the money tree. That's it. Anytime I ching money, it comes to me. Girl, I'm looking good. I'm looking bomb in this hair. Guys, if you enjoyed this hair, make sure you guys go down below in the link below and use my name for a little discount, guys. And make sure you turn your notifications on and have a great time and great day. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.
AK, Asha, AK, Kosh.